You need Maggi and salt?
Yeah, first.
Okay, and then what else?
Green spices.
Green spices?
Yes. And tomatoes.
No. Oh, balagamay. So I just decided to start filming a vlog for this weekend so you guys can see a weekend in my life with the kids. And I don't know if this is gonna be a typical weekend. You know how these things go, right? I don't know if this is gonna be a typical weekend, but I just want to film how my weekend normally goes. And this is me very tired. It's Friday and I'm already here to pick up the kids, and so let's see how the weekend's gonna go. Okay, yeah, hubby is at the gym. Normally he picks up the kids, but today I'm picking them up, so let's see. It's a little different already. The weekend is already starting in a different routine, or with a different routine, but that's okay. All right guys, I'll see you soon. Backpack today, of course. Hi, what's this?
This is tattoo.
What's this? Come on.
If you have to put water in it, you have to
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Dede, the mom, the boss. I hope you guys love this video. Welcome if you're meeting me for the first time, and if you're an oldie, I heart you. Okay, let's just keep watching.
So normally on Fridays I try to take the kids out, or when hubby picks them, he tries to take them out. Whoever picks them tries to take them out to eat something, but I'm really tired. Like you guys can see, I'm super exhausted and I don't feel like going anywhere. Like right now I'm just tired. I just want to go home and rest.
No.
Like there's a lot going on. He said no, Papa. You don't want me to go home and rest?
I don't want you to rest.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to play.
You want me to play?
Yeah, wait, me and Jade.
I play with you and Jaden?
Yeah.
Jay, what do you want mommy to do?
Play.
Play?
Yeah, and I want to play hide and seek and tag and hide and seek tag.
Okay. When we get home, we'll see about that. Alright guys, so we're going home right now.
Our house is about 3 to 5 minutes away from school, and when we get back, they just get right into playing. Sometimes they just eat dinner, but they want to play so bad, especially because they did not play or they missed the playground in school. And the weather is always nice in Houston most often, especially at this time of the day. So yeah, they will just play, and that's what we're going to be doing all evening.
I want to see you. I want you to take a picture of me for 100 times.
I should take you a picture?
Yeah, for 100 times. Right?
Alright, go ahead. Show us how to swing.
Most weekends on Fridays, whoever picks up the kids first just gets home and plays with them like this when they want to play. We play with them as much as possible. Sometimes my husband picks them up. Actually, most times he picks them up and he would take them to the backyard like this and just play and watch them play. So that's really what our routine for Fridays is. Like, we play with the kids. We just let them do their thing because it's the weekend, you know. It's just the weekend. Yeah. So if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up. Let us know if you like videos like this, if you want us to film more vlogs like this. Tell us what your own routine is like. Tell us what you do on Fridays or on the weekend, because this is just Friday. Let's get into Saturday as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you would always be notified every single time we upload videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and let's keep going. Good morning, guys. So it's Saturday morning. I'm awake and I'm just gonna start my day really quick, just with a little brush up. I had to do some in-depth cleaning, but I don't know if I'll do it. I'm so tired. Yesterday I was tired. Like, the way I cut that vlog yesterday, I don't even know. So I just hope that we can just continue from where we stopped today. And today we are gonna visit this place that is beside the house. It's like 10 minutes away from the house later in the evening, and I'm just gonna clean and hang out and not do much. I'll shop. I'll do shopping today. I'll definitely do some shopping today. I hope I'll take you guys with me. And so, guys, yeah, let's just get this going. Let's just get this going. I don't know if I'll cut this vlog on today, Saturday, or I'll do tomorrow's vlog Sunday. I'm not too sure, but I hope you guys you know, I hope you guys love this vlog because I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, so see you guys soon.
Close your eyes.
I should close my eyes.
Yes, and see my teeth. 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes.
Oh, your teeth is so clean. You brush your teeth, baby. Good job.
Jaden is taking a long time.
He's taking a long time to brush his teeth.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, you brush your teeth, buddy.
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Show me your teeth. But you didn't wash your face. Come on, let me go wash your face, okay?
My face.
Yeah, but you didn't help your brother.
Oh. I have to crack her own. Wait. Crack oil. Mommy, he didn't crack himself.
He did. Good job, Jaden.
I cracked his own. I cracked his own.
You did?
Yes, I cracked his own.
You're helping your brother.
And I got 2 oils. Mommy, Jaden needs 3 oils like
No,
me.
you have 2. Jaden has 2, you have 3.
Oh. Let's. Mommy,
Jaden, you don't mix with that. You have to mix with a fork.
I want to mix with the spoon. Jaden mix with the fork. I mix with the spoon and Jaden mix with the fork.
So on the weekend, we always try to cook together, especially Daniela. She loves to help in the kitchen, help with anything out. Like, she's obsessed with helping out in the kitchen. So yeah, that's what we do on the weekends.
I can mix with this too. And me too. Yeah, I just... It's too much. Jaden?
Nobody should make a mess, okay?
When after that we have to put the next ingredient. Okay. Mommy, where are you? You're supposed to be watching us. I need Maggi and some salt.
You need Maggi and salt?
Yeah, first.
Okay, and then what else?
And green spices.
Green spices?
Yes.
Okay.
And This is what you use.
An onion, right?
Yes, an onion and tomatoes. I need that. And then. Wait. Yeah, that's not how you do it. No. I need salt. I need salt first. Put on.
What do you need first?
I need.
No. Oh, Balagamal. You cannot put it like that. It's gonna be too much.
I need Maggi.
Jaden, no. You have to put it on your palm like this.
I need Maggi and salt. That's what I need. And now I have to peel it with a piece of it. I can peel it by myself so I can see it. Okay. And with the Maggi thing. And now take it out.
Jaden.
Careful not to cut your hand.
I gotta be careful, baby.
Because yesterday you cut your hand.
My finger.
Yesterday you cut your finger.
I did. That's right.
I told you not to cut your finger. I told you not to cut your finger, Mommy.
Yes, I will not cut it again, okay?
Okay, you promised not to do it yesterday.
I promised.
Yeah.
I did.
Mommy, can I taste it a little bit? Sure. Mommy, this tastes good. And not even not spicy. Hello guys! Today we are going to make some eggs. So we have to make some eggs when it's cooking, when it's done.
What did you put in your eggs?
We put some Maggi and salt.
Good job.
And sauce. Yeah. What's up?
What's your name?
Huh? My name is Daniela, and this is my brother Jaden.
That's who?
My brother Jaden.
Your brother?
And my name is my brother.
Bravo.
My brother.
Who's brother? His brother.
So after breakfast comes play, and then nap time. Yes. And while I'm in the kitchen cleaning up and preparing lunch for everybody, Jaden is already knocked out on daddy's chest, as you can see, and Daniela is getting ready to jam.
Take me a picture.
So once I got back after shopping, Daniela was sleeping, but when she heard my voice, she just came downstairs. That's why you see her putting on a diaper, because when she's taking a nap, we tried to just put on a diaper so she wouldn't wet the bed. But yeah, she tries to help out as much as possible. She's my little helper. Like I just can't thank God enough for my daughter. So yeah, so she's gonna help out with the fruits while I help out with the other things, and then we get ready to head out for the evening.
So we are going to Kima. Hi, Mama. Do you know where we're going? You don't know? It's a surprise. Jay, do you know where we're going? Yeah. Where are we going?
Why?
It's a surprise. And then you said yeah. Let's check Kima out. You ready? Let's do this. Woo! Good job. It's okay, Mommy's right here. It's okay. Come on, Mommy's right here.
Kima is like not 5 minutes, I lie. Kima is like 10 to 15 minutes away from our house, and we never came here until when the kids were on vacation, and then we saw that they had these amazing things going on, and we were like, we need to explore once the kids come back. And oh my God, this place is amazing. It is so beautiful. I don't even know how to describe it. Like, it's amazing. The games, I mean, there's so many of these caring games, all these caring activities. Like, look at that. I'm enjoying every bit of this place. I love it. I love it. So we got back, everybody was so tired, took a shower, and everybody is in bed. I'm reading their bedtime story before they go to sleep, and yeah, as you can see, they are gonna sleep while I'm reading the story. Some days are better than others. Some days I have to read and read. Some days I actually read, they don't sleep. Other days I read and they sleep. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, because we've come to the end of the vlog. I couldn't continue because the vlog is already too long. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you did, and leave us a comment. Tell us what you like most about this vlog. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you watching up to this point. You know, my heart goes to you guys. I truly appreciate you. If you did watch this video up to this point, please comment vlog down below, and I definitely would know that you watched till the end. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. Love you guys. Bye. Good night, everyone. Good night.